Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Melbet first deposit bonus. This is really easy. Before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional Melbet account. To do this, you will click on register. Next, you will click on full. Here you're going to enter all your personal information, and at the promo code section you're going to enter the promo code CAMTV. By using this promo code, you will get 300% bonus. So if you recharge your account with $50, you will get $150. All you have to do is to click on the menu icon at the bottom right, and next you are going to click on your account balance section. Then you are going to find out many options like top up account, add account, and you are going to find out your main account balance. But as you have used the promo code said earlier, you are going to find out that you have a bonus account balance. So this will correspond to the amount with the bonus you will acquire. Next, you are going just to select the bonus account as your main account by just clicking on it, and then you are going to scroll bar behind. Here you are going to find out many options like pre-game, live, but you are just going to click on sport, and then you are going to click on pre-match. Here you are going to click on football, basketball, ice hockey, or whichever sport you wish to bet on it. So you are just going to click on football for here, and here you are going to select a championship. So you are going to click the German Bundesliga or whichever championship you wish, and you are just going to select any outcome and click on add to bet slip. Now you must be careful to make that all your odds are greater than 1.3. Once this is done, you are just going to scroll up, and here you are going to enter a stack. So you are going to enter the stack that suits your bonus account, and next you are going to click on bet. Now if you win the bet and the outcome is positive, you are going to earn all the potential winning directly in your main account, meanwhile you use your bonus account, and it's as simple as that.